Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to ban a visitor by IP in LiveChat. All right, so first up right here under the chat section, you can just easily ban a customer by just click on the three dots, right? Click on ban this customer and just go ahead and select the duration, for example, 3 years right here, and just click on ban this customer. All right. Another option again is by IP. You can go ahead and go to the settings icon right here. And in this panel, just click on security, like so. And then once done, click on banned customers. All right, now click on ban customer right here in the center of your screen or at the top right. All right, as you can see here, it says customer IP. You'll then need to go ahead and locate the customer IP. You'll be able to locate the IP from a customer, okay, under traffic, or when we go ahead and open up the chat. All right, as you can see, under technology, just make sure to pop this out. Again, we have the IP address right here. And when you have the phone version of the LiveChat right here, just go ahead over to the notification section. And whenever there's a new visitor, you'll be able to see his or her IP as well. Okay, so what you'll do is just copy it, double click on IP address, right click and copy. Go back to the customer IP section right here and select the duration. And then once done, just hit on ban this customer. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here, we have the IP, start date, end date, and the person who banned the customer. Okay, if you want to unban it, just click on unban right here. Wait for it and you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.